Hello friends, it's Josao here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can set your TradingView account. TradingView is basically a platform where you can do all your technical analysis and place your trade. You can also trade directly from the TradingView platform. Without wasting much of your time, let's get this video started. So now the first thing you need to do is go to any search engine, be it Google, all right, Safari, type TradingView. The link will also be in the description, okay, for easy access. So you just come here. This is going to take you right to this particular platform. You just come to the top right hand here, get started, enter your email, enter your password, and you log in. All right, you sign in and you enter your nickname. So when you basically like sign in, this platform basically allows you to do an analysis for all financial markets, be it the crypto, the stock market, all right, the forex market, and you name it. So after that, after creating your account, it's going to take you right to this particular page. I'm going to explain step by step. This video is for beginners, so I'll be just explaining stuff you are required to know as a beginner. So now, when you basically launch this one, the first thing you want to keep your eye on is like to customize this watch list. Okay, you are seeing different stuffs here. You are seeing these indices, you are seeing stocks and all. So you want to take out some of the stuff you are not going to be interested in. For me, like I don't basically trade like stocks indices. So I'm just going to tap this X. Okay, you just delete these ones. Okay, just delete, just touch and it's good to go. So just delete all these ones. I don't trade stock, so Apple is going to go Tesla, Netflix. All right, I'll delete this future. I'll just delete all. So it's going to make your chart look very, very, very decent. All right. This is the forex pair. So I only get one pair here. This is GBP. So I'm going to delete EUR, USD, and USD JPY. And when it comes to the crypto, I only trade Bitcoin. So I'll delete this Ethereum and the others. So guys, basically now you see what we have customized this our watch list. It is now good to what look at. All right. So let's say mistakenly you delete any of this or you want to add any. All right, it's here. You just come to this plus icon here where you see add symbol, tap this, and basically you are going to arrive here. So you are just going to search for the pair you basically want to add based any stock for funds, futures, forex, crypto indices, bonds, or economy. After searching for that, you can basically go ahead and add. Like for example, now let's say you want to add this SPY. All right, you just come here and you tap this plus icon. Okay, you can say add to watch list. You tap this and it's going to be added to this watch list you are seeing here. But for me, I only trade these three pairs. Okay, so less is more. That's always what I used to say. So also that reminds me, if you're interested in learning crypto or forex for completely free without paying a single dime, you can send me a message by Instagram or you send me a message by Facebook at Joseph Sesay Concept. I have a 1 month free training that is going to commence. This is the third batch. Okay. So after doing this, down here, when you come here, you're going to see ZAO USD. This is the current chart that is open. XAU basically means what? Gold USD. Okay. So this is gold and this is the current market price 2347.82 is the current, and you are seeing at the bottom market open, which means you can basically trade this. If you want to basically trade gold or you want to trade the forex market and other stuff like trading, you can basically check the link in the description and use my broker. It is very beginner friendly and all. So this is basically it. So now the next thing you basically want to do, you might be asking yourself, why am I seeing blue and like red? This is the chart, okay? You can give it any color you want. You can customize it to whatever you want. So now let's change this from blue, let's say like red or green, sorry, okay? So all you need to do is like what? You right click. Okay, when you basically like right click, then you are going to go to what? Setting. Okay, you come here at the bottom, you are seeing here settings. Okay, just tap in here and this is where we are going to change our colors. Okay, you can select any color. Most of the time you basically say green and what? Red. Green basically means what? The price is going up, and red basically means what? The price is coming down. Okay, so this is basically it. So you have symbol, status line, scales and line, canvas, trading, and event. So for the body, let's say now you just come here, tap this blue, and you select, let's say you select green. Let's select this green. Okay, so you see it has changed. Okay, you select the border again, all right, to green, and you select the wick. Okay, the wick is basically the highest point and the lowest point, which were the buyers or the sellers move the price. You can basically check my technical analysis to know about the candlestick anatomy. And you tab in, press OK. So now you see we have changed the color from blue. Now it's like what? Green. Okay. You can give it any color you want. Okay. So the next thing you want to do, most of the time you might see traders adding watermark. Okay. I love using watermark. So this basically going to be, you right click again and you come towards setting. Okay, if you are using your phone, basically the process is just the same. Okay, and you basically come to canvas. Okay, when you come to canvas, you are seeing watermark. You just tap watermark like this and you tap OK. So now you are saying what? Watermark. Okay, this is the pair which we are trading: XAU USD, XAU, all right, which is gold, and USD United States dollar. So you are saying this 15. This 15 is the time frame. So which means each candle you are seeing here basically it will took 15 minutes to form. Okay. So now we come to the time frame. You come to the top here where you're seeing this 15 minutes. Okay, you just have this particular one to add your time frame. The time frame you are using basically is going to depend on the type of trader you are. We have scalpers, we have day traders, we have swing traders, position traders, intraday, and all other type of traders. Okay, I'm a scalper and a day trader. So what I'll do now is what? I'll just like maybe add what? 30 minutes. Just tap this add to favorite. It's going to appear play. I'm going to add 1 hour. I'll add 4 hour, I'll add 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. Okay, so this one is okay, and you can just go back. So you can basically see, okay, you can basically see. So let's go back. Let's select 15 minutes. Let's select the 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes. Okay, so you have 15 minutes. This can each candle you are seeing here currently is 15 minutes. If you press the 30M, that is 30 minutes. Each candle you are seeing here is 30. So when you see from the watermark XAUSD 30, it means the exact time frame. If you press the H4, that is what? 4 hours. Okay, each candle you are seeing here is what? 4 hour. So let's go back to the 15M. This is where you set this one. So let's say now you want to set your chart, because there are basically three types of charts. We have the candlestick chart. This is what you are currently seeing. We have the bar chart. We have the line chart. So let's say you just come to the top here where you're seeing this candlestick. All right, you just press, you are seeing what? Bars. If you press bar, then this is going to be visible to you. Okay, if you want to basically change, you can, let's say you want to select line. I basically use line to draw my support and resistance. All right, and this is basically what you are seeing. And now we have what? Candles. You can basically press this. Okay, let's say mistakenly one day you try to press, and you are going to know how to customize again. So this price you are seeing here is the current market price. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can basically place a trade directly from the trading view. So now let's try to add our tools. There are some tools which you are going to use for your analysis. Okay, for your analysis. So the first thing you need to do, you come to this left side, you are seeing different things. So if you just chart this, you just press, you are going to see these ones. I basically don't use any of these tools, so I will skip. I'll go to the second area, and this is trend line. All right, I'll what? Just add to favorite. Now you are seeing, right, from the screen here, you are seeing this is the trend line. Why are we adding this? It's going to be easy for you to use them instead of coming here to start chatting every day. Okay, so you just come fib. I don't basically use this stuff. And let's come to this one: patterns. Okay, I use head and shoulder. So you just press this and it has been added. You come again to this forecasting. You want to add what? Long position. You want to add short position. I'm going to show you how to use them shortly. And you come here to this geometrical shape. You want to add brush. Okay, you want to add brush. You want to add rectangle. I'm going to show you. You want to add parts. You want to add eclipse. Okay, then you come to text. You basically want to add text as well. You just come here and you just add text. So now, guys, you are basically seeing these are the tools that I basically use. It depends on your strategy. Probably what you might be using study might be different from what I'm using. A kind of like I use support and resistance, and I use trend lines to basically trade. So you can basically move this. Okay, you can move this to any area, all right, you want. You can move this any area. So now it's way more easier for you to what, use this one instead of coming here to check for this and all that. Okay, so now this is what your trend line. As soon as you chart, you are going to see this trend line. If you want to draw your trend line, you can basically what, just go ahead and what, draw the trend line. Okay, trend line basically must connect what, to two tops or two bottoms. Okay, all right, so you can basically watch my technical analysis video to know more about these technical tools and how to use them. So you can just basically what, go ahead and just what, draw your trend line. Okay, when you basically chart, then you can what, just go ahead and draw your trend line like this. You see, you can just go ahead and draw your trend. So after this, if you want, you can change the color. Okay, you can come your line to color. You select what, whatever color you basically want. Let's say we want this. You see the color has changed. If you want to increase the thickness, the pixel, you see you can increase to 3 up to what, 4 pixel. Okay, then you can basically select the style of the line you want. Do you want a break and all? So you can basically do all this here. If you want to basically delete this, you can basically just touch this and you can see this one is going to appear, and you just remove. This is head and shoulder. All right, I basically use it to what, draw head and shoulder. You can basically check my technical analysis. So this is going to be my left shoulder. This is going to be right. Okay, it's a kind of pattern, and this is going to be like the head. Thing like this is what I basically use it for. You might not tend to use it, but this is what basically I use it for. Okay, so you come here now for what, your long position. Let's say you want to go for a buy. You can basically what, just touch this, and most of the times you might see. So you see this green area is what, where you at the top is what, your take profit. This is the take profit price where you are saying this green, this 23.99. This is where you are going to enter as your take profit, and this bottom is going to be what, the price for your stop loss, where you are seeing this red at the bottom. And this middle here, this line here, we have this green line and we have what, this red. So this line that is divided between the red and the green is what, your entry price. So this is going to be your entry price. Okay, so this is just how you set your long position. And you basically have what, the opposite, which is short position. Let's say you are saying the price is going to go down, as we are saying from this case. You are saying, okay, after your analysis, price is going to drop till this particular point. Okay, so you want to make your stop loss, you can basically reduce your stop loss. All right, you can do this. So this, you are seeing risk of reward, this is 5.0. Like this basically means if you are risking like $100, okay, you want to make $500 if your take profit or your target is being hit. Okay, so this is basically it. You can just touch delete here and it's going to go off. So this is brush, you can basically use it to clean up chart and everything. And this is my rectangle. I use support and resistance, so I don't like to see my support and resistance as a line. I like to see it as a zone. So when you chart this, you can basically go ahead and draw what, your zones. Okay, which means as long as price is within, it is like not a breakout, because if you just use your horizontal line, basically it's going to be what, fake breakout. Okay, so you can change the color here to whatever color you basically want, and the pixel as well to whatever what you want, you see. And you can also like what, delete it out of the screen. And this is what, my part. Okay, sometimes you might want to do direction, you want to do like prediction, like okay, I think this is what price is going to do. All right, price is going to do this and price is going to do that and all. Okay, so you can also increase the pixels here. You want to change the color, you can change, and you tap delete if you want to delete. And this is what, my eclipse. Okay, so maybe you have a particular zone, you are saying okay, let's say for example you chose this. I'm saying if I go to this particular zone, I want to do this and all that. You are marking what, essential relevant points. Okay, so you see like this is what I basically what use it for. Okay, so you can just go ahead and what delete again. And this is text. Okay, probably you are a mentor, or when entering a trade you want to basically type some things that you are noticing, some things you basically want to look for before you what enter a trade. So with this text, basically you can just like go ahead and what add, like take note directly for what the screen. You tap what add note, and you can just what go ahead, type, and you change the color if you want, the font and everything as well. So guys, these are some of the tools that I basically use, but there are a lot of tools that are available here. You can basically check them out. But as for beginner, this is what I'm using, and it depends on the strategy which you are also using. So the next thing you basically want to do is I want to explain to you guys about indicators. Okay, this all is available in the free plan, but there are more like stuff you can basically do with trading view, but you need to pay. But you can basically use the free plan, all right, and it's like good to go. I've been using this for like a, a year or two. Okay, so these are indicators. Indicators are technical too. They are also part of technical analysis. Okay, where you can check the technical analysis playlist where I talk about what the moving average, convergence, divergence, the Bollinger Band, and other indicators. So you just type in indicators, and you are going to like what chart for indicators that you want. Like let's say you want to use the moving average, all right, the simple moving average, exponential moving average, all right, the RSI, all right, relative strength index, and all. So you just shout, let's say you want to shout for MACD. Just say you shout for MACD. Okay. When you shout for MACD, you wait for it to load. You see this is MACD moving average. So if you want to now add, you just tap what? You add this, okay? You add MACD to what? Your favorite, and whenever you want it, you can basically see what MACD right in the particular favorite section part of your indicators. All right. So guys, this is basically it. Now let me basically show you how to connect, all right, your exchange or your broker to directly where you can trade from the trading view. You are seeing at the bottom, you are seeing trading panel. Okay. You just tap trading panel, then they are going to show you all the exchanges or the brokers that you can connect. Like not all brokers and exchanges are available here. Okay, so you are seeing what OKX. So if you have an OKX account, you can basically like what connect here. Just tap in, enter your login details, and you are good to go. Just the same way you are using your exchange is the same way you are going to what use this. This is BINANCE, right? You have Bybit, you have Binance, Info Ethereum, Osmanli Ethereum. These are like Turkish stuff. This is Filmex, Trail Station, AMP, and all. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. In upcoming tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can basically do ahead and connect this. All right, and trade. But as a beginner, you can basically trade directly from your exchange for now. All right, this basically requires professionals. All right, that's what I recommend. Okay, so this is how you just come connect and just go about your trading stuff. So guys, this you are seeing some lines here. If you basically tab here, you select all, it's going to show you what all data intervals. Okay, it shows you what data intervals for what a particular asset you are seeing here. You have all 5 year, 1 year, all right, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 5 day, 1 day. You can basically just go ahead and see. And also, when you have something that you are going to see on the screen that I need to show you guys. This is what the zoom out, okay, and this is the zoom in, okay. Like if you want to watch, basically zoom, okay, you are basically like seeing this, okay. If you want it to go to normal, just reset chart like this, press reset, and you are good to go, okay. This is basically what you can use it for. So guys, this is basically it as a beginner. These are some of the stuff you need to know. If you basically want to take screenshots, you can come to the top here where you're seeing this camera, just tap this, and you're going to what? Like this. You see take screenshots, it has, and you just download the image, okay. And this is what, if you want to make full screen, you want to basically see your full screen. And also this is chat setting. Let's say you don't want to right click here. If you want to change your chat color, you can basically just tab here as well, and it's going to take you directly to the chat setting directly from here if you want. This is where you tend to what change your name, okay. If you like, you can basically set your name. You are seeing Josao, so you can basically go ahead and set your name. Like if you want to rename, you can just go ahead and what rename. All right, so you see some stuff here. This is like the watch list, and this is alert. You can basically set price alert. All right, let's say you want when goal is in what 50,000, all right, you want alert, so you can basically set alert here and all. Please note there are some things here that are only available for pro users. You must be mindful as well. Okay, so alert is basically here and all. So guys, let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you within 24 hours. And you can basically send me a message at Instagram or Facebook at Joseph Stay Concept to join my free Forex and crypto trading for beginners. All right. If you are not interested, you might know someone that is interested. Kindly ensure to share this message to them. If you find value in this tutorial, ensure to subscribe. If you have not, like this video, share this video, and drop something really great. Let me know you are grateful. Thanks a lot. See you guys.